In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Bluehost email to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Adding your Bluehost email address to any iPhone model is extremely simple. In this video, I'm gonna cover how you can make it appear on the iPhone's Mail app, and all that you have to do is access the Settings app on your iPhone. So regardless of the model that you have, go over to the Settings icon on your iPhone's home screen. When you access the settings, to add your account, scroll down within the settings until you find Mail. Go over to the Mail settings and on the Mail screen, locate and tap the option to add accounts. Now you will see various email providers, but you will notice that Bluehost isn't directly listed. Don't worry, you can still add your Bluehost address. So all that you have to do is choose Other, as I've highlighted here at the bottom of the options, and then tap the option to add a Mail account. So now enter the account details. The most important one is going to be, of course, your complete Bluehost email address. So you can also enter the desired display name for the emails that you send, a password that you use for your Bluehost email account, and then an optional description. Once you include all of these details, you should be good to go. However, if you want to do additional setup, once you proceed, you will be able to do the server selection, either between IMAP or POP. So choose the server type that you want to use for your email. IMAP allows you to access and manage your emails from any device, keeping them synced across devices. This is the recommended option for most users, while POP downloads the email to your device, and they are typically deleted from the server. Choose whichever one you prefer, do your own research, and regardless of which one you choose, you will have further options to customize them, to enter the host address, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Bluehost email to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.